my channel. Today we are unboxing Lego Creator 3-in-1 Dragon Set. Using this set, we can make a dragon and a parrot and a fish. Blow, 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 blow. So the box looks like this. Now let's open it. These are the Lego pieces of the bags and these three are the manuals. Now let's open the bags.
Run. One eternity later.
Out of the three manuals, I'm making the dragon first because I like dragons. Some pieces come on also, right? First I need to form the red group. It looks like a hill. I accidentally have this on those two pieces. I just had to add this. Look friends, our dragon's head is ready. Yes, and even look at the mouth. Open, shut. Open, shut. Open, shut. Now friends, the head and the body are ready. So now it's time to join them. I'm trying to join it, but still I can join. Look, now that we joined our body and head, it's time to make the other thing. Now friends, it's the final part, the tail. Now friends, look at our dragon. Now friends, our dragon is ready. Woo! So friends, if you like this dragon and this Lego set, subscribe this video and like it. Bye! Thanks for watching this video.